In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly link your Disney account to Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a browser and go to Google. Then from here, we want to go ahead and type in Store Epic Games and head on over to store.epicgames.com. Now, once you're over to Epic Games Store, we need to go ahead and sign into our account. So just go ahead and click on the sign in button. Then from here, choose best way to sign in. So this can be your Google account, Steam, My Disney, Apple, etc, etc, or you can go ahead and sign in with your PlayStation Network, Xbox, Nintendo console. So for me, I'm going to sign in with my Google account, then I'll see you on the other side. But if you don't have an account, you can always create an account and sign up. Now once we've logged in, we want to click onto our profile and then click onto account. Now inside of your settings or account section, we want to go ahead and click onto linked accounts. Now from here, go ahead and find my Disney account. So on my page, it's the second row on the far right. So I'm going to click onto link, and now a little pop-up should appear, or another page. And then simply it will say connect your My Disney account. So you're signing Epic accounts at your email. In order to link your account, you'll be directed to the Disney website to sign in. So go ahead and click on connect account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and put in your email and then your password, click continue, and then you're going to successfully link your account to Fortnite.